is the OSET MX-10. This is probably the coolest kids bike I've ever seen, but today Hannah and I are going to test it out and see if it can be a fun adult bike too. Kicking things off here with the pit bike track that is a bit overgrown, but still should be fun. Check out the whoop section here. Or double section on this bike. Good thing about this track is you can go both directions. It's actually pretty fun to double, manual. There's all kinds of different ways to hit this little section on this little bike. Oh, a little sketchy that time. Manual, all of them maybe? Whoa, almost. It kind of feels like a manual, although it is a wheelie. But it's kind of like a BMX style. Pumping a little bit, but having the power too. Oh, a little sloppy, but kind of worked. There we go. Roll in, double, double. Yeah. Double, double to manual. Hey, that was sweet. Okay, now how about a slow wheelie through here? Oh yeah. A little bouncy, but I'll take it. Moving on to the rest of the track. A little single there into a mini table. Pretty fun size on this. Whoa! Man, these big berms. Well, big for this bike. You can just pin it all the way around them. In the other direction, it is about to, whoa! Kind of hard to stay in it. Try that again. All right, hit the berms good this time. Don't let off, just keep it pinned. That is fun. No letting off all the way around this one. Through the straight and then around, oh! Whoops. Well, I didn't let off until I was upside down. I'll try that one again. No letting off from landing in the tabletop. Around this one. And this one. There we go. And there's a nice sweeper corner here. Oh, a little loose. Into a rutted corner. I like that one. Oh. Well, that was fun. It's really small, but it gets me around pretty good on this track anyway. Your turn?
Probably the hardest section for me on the track. I get a little goofed up. I can't really jump anything here. Oh. Ruddy area, that's Pat's favorite part, my least favorite corner. This part is my favorite part of the track right here. I love going up and down. Berms. Whoa! Oh. Part this brings joy to my life. Ah! Come for you, Pat. Oh, that's probably my smoothest I've hit that.
How was it?
Fun. I love the berms.
Now we are on the Enduro Crosstrek. Well, the mini Enduro Crosstrek. I actually built this for RC cars, but I thought this bike might fit it pretty well. Oh, going for the doubles and making it. Oh, hard to do those flat corners. Whew. Try the other way now. Oh. Oh. Hard to get that double out of the corner, but the middle one is easier. That is pretty fun and actually kind of a workout. I'll have to add this into my training for next year, for sure. Maybe we need to bring an RC car out, see who's faster.
Oh, I hit that hard. Oh. It's scary doing it on this
There's not much ground clearance, so you got to keep the front wheel up until the back wheel is at least close to it.
Trying to get used to the wheelie.
You can do it!
I did it! I wonder how those are gonna be that way. Oh! Almost went over the bars. Ooh, baby. Oh! I did it already. Not very smooth. Here we go again. Ha! Yeah! I did it. What's next?
It's mountain bike trail time. This part, is optional and pretty sketchy, but pretty fun. Woo! Trying to whip it a little bit. All right, now it's a little more single track action. A couple mini berms here. Woo! Handles pretty good through this stuff. Jump the log, no need to touch it. Oh, now fast couple mini jumps. And dropping into a pit. Throwing a little bonus line in here. Oh, not that time though. Ooh, harder than I thought actually. Coming up on a tire here. Whoa, I did not plan on jumping that. And I haven't tried this yet. Oh yeah, tire on tire traction. Here comes the optional skinny. That is also optional to wheelie. This is probably my favorite part of the trail. Firm, firm, into some little jumps. That's not the whole trail, but it is a whole lot of fun. You can just hold it wide open and bounce through it like a bicycle. I think it's Hannah's turn though.
I have to say this is my favorite part on the mountain bike track, but it's a little different on here. Not as fast as Pat, but not gonna attempt that log either. Not at my skill level yet. Ah, missed it by a hair. Stay on the gas longer. Oh! Oh! That's so much fun. Oh, more checky in here. Oh boy! Ah, I made it out! Yes! Time for some rocks. See if I can jump this. Woo! I actually jumped it. There we go. Oh! Did I make it? Third time's charm. Oh yeah!
Well, I think that proves that this can be a great pit bike. I'm 6 feet tall, 180 something pounds, and it pulled me around pretty well. Had a lot of fun. It kind of rides a bit like a BMX bike, a bit like a motorcycle, and you kind of combine all the techniques and have a lot of fun on no matter what you're riding on. So definitely gonna ride it a bunch more. And I actually had my niece Jade on it the other day, and she's been afraid of normal motorcycles, but this one she really liked, so that just proves it can be a great starter bike and a great pit bike. So had a blast riding around and looking forward to doing more on it. How was it?
Good. I liked it.